Hi, my name is Joe Martinez. I'm the founder of IX. I just want to take a minute and explain what is IX. Well, the I represents you. It represents me. It represents us as individuals in everything that we are, mind, body, and spirit. And the X is the potential that we have inside of us. It represents the multiplier. It represents growth. And so I and X together, it is a platform that's going to take your life to the next level. Through education, through tools, they're going to help you grow and become a better person. And it's said best in our mission statement. We are here to innovate, inspire, and impact in the lives of those who endeavor to become more. So if you're looking to become more, a better version of yourself, if you're looking to better your finances, if you're looking to better your mindset, we have information and technology for you. Download our app, take a look at our community, take a look at IX Social, take a look at our portal, take a look at everything that we have and make a decision. But all I can tell you is that we are here to support you in the difficult moments, and we're here to congratulate you and cheer you on when you're having success. So welcome to the community, guys. We'll see you guys soon.